airplane needed to lighten a little bit. Maybe some deity got tired of regular water, so they just decided to start throwing down humans. If that's the case, why is it just men? Why not throw down some nice ladies, too? Give the guys something to be excited for. Then again, I don't see anyone screaming hallelujah either one of those situations, considering the fact that there'd be more guts and gore than a goddamn Evil Dead flick. Speaking of which, how are we supposed to protect the everyday citizen from getting squashed like a neighborhood pumpkin on Halloween? You think we'd have some rod that catches each human being that is about to fall on you like some sort of kebab-brilla or cabrilla? Who's to say that's the only threat we have to worry about? What if that deity up there got some sort of ancient STD? Kind of begs the question as to whether or not we're at risk of accumulating full-blown god age. You know what? Let's just say there's no divine reason and more of a scientific one instead. You think? Yeah. You think that the people falling would kind of form like regular rain forms? Because if that's the case, you kind of need the ocean. But if that's the logic, then shouldn't you go for something like sea sponges or maybe some octopi? Hell, I'd even accept Godzilla as a viable answer. Oh wait, no. Mer people. Yes, mer people.
Tapioca, we're gonna have to cut that part out.
What are you, afraid of offending them? I mean, I'm just...
We've been over this, there's no such thing as mer people, and we've done that thought before.
That's a little funny, Lavella, but I'm just gonna... a great joke, but I'm just gonna get back here. Alright, so, you think they would start integrating into... Damn it, Lavella, but... You know, combined with that, it's too many distractions, alright? I mean, the lights, I don't even know if the camera's picking anything up, and it's honestly, what's going on here, right? Because this is a little ridiculous. I've never done that thought in my life.
You realize you're on a TV show, right, Tapioca, and that you're not the only host. There have been others before you who have done that thought. You won't be the first, and you won't be the last.
Right about me not being the first, Lamar. But I'll be damned if I'm the last. I'm like milk, I have no expiration date. I may get hard and crunchy sometimes, but damn it, I'm still apple.
Really now?
Yeah.
Alright, well, what does that mean? What are you saying to me?
Well, I'm saying that there are people falling from the sky because we have no roof.
Okay.
And I will not do another deep thought.
You won't do another deep thought?
Not until that roof is fixed.
Okay, well, you have to...
And the lights are fixed.
You have to, because the coleslaw demands it.
I don't care what the coleslaw demands. We have no roof.
He demands it.
We have no roof.
He demands it.
We have no roof.
Ah! Oh. What's that?
I don't know, Lamella. What is that?
It seems to be like some kind of fish-human hybrid.
Oh, a fish-human hybrid.
Yeah.
Other
Sounds about
words...
right. The shape of water.
In other words...
Sea creature, Homo sapien combination.
Yeah, you can't deny the existence now, Lavella. It's clearly right there. What? I'm sorry,
person.
Yes. You see, now, this is exactly why we need a roof. This is exactly why we need lights.
Fine. Oh, the lights
Because
are out. The
apparently
lights
your
are out
eyes
too.
can't see anything down there.
Is everything broken?
Yes.
I'll talk to
The lights in the background.
Hey,
Please,
hey,
please
Jerry, baby. Yeah, Tapioca's complaining. Apparently we don't have a roof, and the lights aren't working. What should I tell him? Gotcha. Yeah, he says the show must go on, and stop your whining.
Stop my whining.
Yeah.
Stop my whining.
Yeah.
Well, isn't it not my direct whining that just led you to realize that we have no roof
It's not.
and no lights in the back?
Listen, just the coleslaw demands it.
Lavella,
You realize your entire purpose in life is to make these deep thoughts. You can't leave.
my entire purpose.
You really think? Do you know where we are? Do you know where the studio
I
is?
know exactly where we are.
Where are we?
We're in a studio.
Where's the studio?
Downtown.
So have you left before?
Yeah,
Where'd you go?
downtown.
Where's downtown? What town did you go down?
You know what? Clearly, you're not understanding.
Point our position on a map.
Yeah, I will. I will. Now, let's just say that this is the planet
Earth?
It's going to say Vulcan, but all right. Let's just say that this is that planet, right there. You know, we're like, you know, somewhere like, you know.
You're just drawing scribbles on a circle.
And then it's
You're
just well, no, not drawing scribbles in a circle. You know, there's more stuff. You know, it's you know, you could draw.
No, that means nothing.
And then, you know,
That's just a smiley face.
You know,
that's not. There's no positioning. There's no continents.
Oh, you want the position? All right. Well, like it. Yes, of course. Well, somewhere.
You're just giving him hair.
Well, Bella, that's the best I could do right now. It's, you know,
No, you've never left here. You've never left.
I have left, yeah.
And there's a reason for that. It's because you can't leave.
Studios right now. I can leave. I can leave.
Try leaving, see what happens.
Gladly. But, you know, first, I gotta tell you that.
Listen, just do it deep thoughts and we won't have a problem.
You know what? I think I can leave. You know why? Because I'm looking at this artwork right now.
You want to talk to Coleslaw about this?
I think I could become the next Picasso.
Hey.
Because
Do you want Coleslaw? Do you want to talk to him about this?
Yeah.
Well, you can.
No, I will talk to him.
No, you can't talk to him.
Well, Lavella, there's no roof. There's no lights.
Only I can talk to Coleslaw. You couldn't handle it.
It looks like the set of a goddamn Zack Snyder movie in the background over there.
You couldn't handle it.
I could handle plenty. Trust me.
You are all right.
I dealt with a Russian
Fine. Try talking to him.
Gladly. Hello? Well,
Yeah.
let me ask you one question.
Yeah.
Be honest. Be completely honest.
Okay.
There's no coleslaw.
Whatever do you mean?
What do I mean? There's nothing. Hello? Hello?
No, he's just taking his time.
He's taking his
let me
time.
talk to him.
He's taking his time.
Let me-
Okay.
But Coleslaw, yeah, I know you don't usually do this, but I don't think this one just won't shut up until you talk to
I
him.
can handle it. I could handle it plenty. Please, have him talk.
Listen, like I'm sure it'll be fine. Just let him do it. We can get back on schedule.
Well, are you talking to anyone
All
on
right,
the phone?
thanks, buddy.
Let me humor you. Hello, coleslaw. What's this guy's first name? Because
Jerry.
Jerry. I'm gonna call you Jerry because your last name is complete bullcrap. All right. What? Hello. Listen, I don't hear anything. You know, I'm starting to. Okay, I hear a mild ringing. That's what I hear. But I don't hear. Ooh, mild ringing. That's getting a little louder. But that's.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. You know that's a funny one. Wow. Oh, jeez. Parents hate their kids. I can't take my face away from the phone. I can't take it.
My brain got altered in a way that's not normal.
Ah!
And I have a different way of looking at things and feeling things. And I know how special life is. But it was so sinful. It's so stupid. It's so insane.
Something wrong with the phone here.
You okay? You okay? Okay. Okay. What?
Gary Busey.
What about Gary Busey?
He must have teeth.
He has teeth.
No.
Yes, he does. No, he has teeth.
He has marshmallows.
No.
In
those
his
teeth.
mouth, that's the marshmallows.
No, he has teeth. He has teeth. This is bad. Well, he's losing it. What do I do? He'll reboot? Just give him a minute. Let me check this. No, he's dead. He's dead. Give him time. What's that? Oh. You okay? Look, let me unbutton that shirt for you. Hold on. Let me get you out of that. Alright. Can you take this off? Oh. He's what's he doing? Hang on, I really think I should get that shirt off you, pal. It's you okay? Tapioca? Tapioca? No? Whoa. Hey. Who are you? Durag Epi, is that your name? Is that your name? Durag Epi? Oh no. Oh no. Call slide. What? Hey, get it together, buddy. I need you for the show.
George, there's a show coming up. There's a
big show.
mighty big show.
Yes, there is.
Oh.
You okay? You with me? Durag Epi?
Durag Epi.
Hey, tell me about yourself. I want to get to know you. Durag
Epi.
No.
Durag
No, please no. Please no.
Durag Epi.
No.
Durag Epi.
Ah!